Thunderbolt Marine is a refit and repair facility, and basically we work on vessels from 30 to 300 feet.
This is a good place to start.
Dylan Young took advantage of an opportunity. Certainly this good place to start is a great kickoff to a career.
Thunderbolt Marine's good, teaching younger people on the job and training them, to be a lot more self-sufficient.
We want anybody who has an interest in learning a trade and building a skill set. As I mentioned, we do a little bit of everything, so there's opportunity, I feel like, for everyone.
Every day you're going to do something different. Every day you're going to learn something new. Every day you're going to get challenged. And that's what we really want all of our employees to feel. We want them to feel challenged in the job that they do.
Coming here, getting started at 7:15, you get an assignment and you go set up at the assignment. You got to make sure that you cover and protect so you're not shooting dust anywhere. You got to make sure that your area is kept clean, and whatever the assignment is, whether you're cutting holes in a boat or fabricating, you got to make sure you just put your full effort into it and take everything step by step.
It's very busy, but we all help each other out. We'll bounce around, but at the end of the day, we make sure we get all our stuff done right the first time.
And Thunderbolt Marine's been doing it right since 1969. Although the company's name and operations have changed a few times over the years, it's maintained and added to its top-notch complex and is considered an East Coast first-class yacht repair facility.
Having so many different shops in-house, doing so many different things in-house, there really is an opportunity for somebody to become well-versed in a little bit of everything. We've got a lot of seasoned vets here who can teach some people, different trades and things within that trade that they might not learn anywhere else.
It is an environment that is fun. Of course, you get the beautiful view that we have here. So as long as you have a desire to want to work here, a desire to do the right thing, a desire to come to work, then you are the right fit for us, and a desire to want to learn.
These are all jobs that I can assure you will not be replaced by AI. I mean, these are hands-on skills, trades. They can be used within the marine industry, but a lot of times outside the marine industry as well.
I'm actually getting the welding experience, and the more I do it, the better I get, and it's just, everything takes time, so I know I can't rush into greatness, but with time, I know I'll get better each and every day.
We have the machine shop, which are mechanics. We have canvas and upholstery, which is, of course, sewing and taking care of the fabric and everything inside of the yachts. We have a dynamic cabinetry department where we don't want you to put together IKEA furniture. We want you to be able to actually build something out of wood. We have a CNC machine. We also have our rigging department, and they're responsible for taking the hardware off of the yachts while it's getting repaired and refit, and they're responsible for making sure that they put the hardware back on the yachts. We also have a dynamic state-of-the-art paint booth. We also have HVAC, and we have an electrical department.
Certainly a plethora of opportunities for our area's young adults. It's the skilled trades SCC PSS is helping prepare students for, and Thunderbolt Marine is ready to hire.
We are looking for students that have a desire to want to be here, have a desire to want to learn a trade, and have the ability to be able to come to work on time, have the great soft skills as far as communication, teamwork, and just a desire just to want to do something better with their lives.
Once you get through school, and you can even do school part-time and work here full-time like I did, but I mean, I've been here about 2 years, and you can progress a lot that way.
You can earn a really good living by learning the trades and becoming familiar with some of the things that we do here.
With your connection to careers, I'm Ken Slatz.